G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson. Just showing you what you'd be receiving if you ordered a Canopy cargo drawer through us, and we're just going to do a brief run through of how you put one together. Obviously, if you've ordered the Canopy cargo drawer with bench, you're just going to be repeating the drawer step again, only for the bench that's underneath it. It's sitting like so because of the carcass, but obviously they're designed to clear a lid, so it will actually sit up a bit more like that once you put it together. So what you're going to receive is obviously you've got your outer carcass, you've got your internal drawer, you have your pair of slides, and you have all the nuts and bolts. This is all laser cut here in Brisbane, and then it's folded and welded in our Brisbane workshop as well. So this is 100% Australian made. You'll see that we've got the protective film on it. This is deliberately left on. This is something that prevents it from getting scratched in our warehouse during transit, and also when you're putting it together as well. So you'll start off with your carcass like so, and I always like to get your slides, and you put left on the left and the right on the right. This just makes it easier. If you put the runners, pull them apart, it's very easy to know which belongs with which, because you don't want to mix them up. So, being laser cut, it means you're going to see all these pilot holes in the unit, and then these are just going to marry up with the holes in the slide. So it's very, very simple stuff. So you just pull the drawer out to full extension. Internally, you would just line it up with the holes, and then you would just run the nuts and bolts that you're provided, and you would just secure that one off. You would repeat the same thing on the right hand side. Obviously, once they're fitted, it's going to be looking something like this, but obviously sitting up higher. What you would then do is, I won't do it for now because the runs aren't fitted, it's going to be too difficult, but imagine you would then bring that out in line with the slides. Same deal again. You've got 3 pilot holes for the drawer, which all line up with the runner. This time, you'd be running the bolt this way and tightening it off from the nut internally. It's all very basic stuff. Everything lines up. It's all very easy to put together. Obviously, once that's fitted, you fitted it at a full extension point. So just be a matter of unlocking the trigger. You just be pushing the drawer shut. Once you've secured it off, you literally just, the unit's working as it should. So it's a very basic thing to put together. However, if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call or flick us an email. I will note, obviously, as I mentioned before, that the stages involved with fitting the slides is exactly what you would do again if you were going to be fitting the bench unit underneath the drawer. Otherwise, completely identical. Steps involved to put that one together as well. Everything's laser cut, all the holes line up, just same thing again. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just give us a call or flick us that email.